Are you relying on manual work to run your 3D printers? That's costing you time, money, and precious sleep. But now you can save on all that because we've just designed the perfect solution to your problem. Introducing OTTOeject, a handy robot made to ease and automate your 3D printing workflow. Unbox it, build it, customize it, and you're ready to go. But how does it work? As soon as your 3D print is complete, auto-eject kicks in. It ejects the print, racks it, adds a new plate, and queues the next job. Auto-eject is designed to integrate with all OpenFDM printers. Our software, AutoEngine, acts as a bridge for communication between auto-eject and your 3D printer. Which is why, if something goes wrong, like a print failure, our safety feature detects the issue, swaps out the print bed, and restarts the job without missing a beat. The provided storage racks are fully customizable. Each can hold up to 6 prints plus 5 spare print beds, allowing it to mold into your needs. AutoEject is built for everyone, from university labs and professional bureaus to in-house production facilities and passionate hobbyists. Let AutoEject do the work while you focus on the important things. By backing this project, you're not only investing in a product, you're also joining a community to revolutionize 3D printing automation. Join us on this journey and experience the future of 3D printing.